what you're wanting to do is first you keep the headdress facing towards you. You're gonna take this bottom ribbon, fold it up in half like this. You can adjust the ribbon a little bit. Then you're gonna take the top one and bring it down. And now you're gonna bring it up under this ribbon and up through this little loop that you're making. And you just have to keep it flat and then just adjust the loops until it's tight, and then it'll stay flat and sit in the direction you want. So with ties that have one-sided fabric, it's a little different. So I'll show you how to do that next. So first you're gonna start with crossing your waist ties like this. You want to make sure that they're flat. Sometimes if you have like stiffer cotton, it helps to keep the shape if you iron and starch it first. So anyways, after you cross them, you're going to want to keep one up. And so like the other one, you're going to start with the bottom one up first. You're going to fold it up, fold the second one down, and loop through. But instead of going only halfway, you're going to want to pull the full way. Because you want this ugly side to stay on the inside. So after you pull all the way up, you're going to have to flip it back down and then push it back through. And then again, just readjust as needed. And it's always easier to do this tie before you put the dress on. I like to fold it in half in the beginning to know how much distance I need to leave. And then I take it out and I tie it. And then when I go to put them on, I'll just unbutton it, put it on so I can stretch and fit on it, and then I put it back on like this after it's on my body. So it's already tied and ready to go and looks cute. And yeah, there's that one. But of course, then you always have the occasional older dress that has the double-sided. These, of course, are the easiest. They're pretty much like how the earlier ribbon one is, because you don't really have to care too much about exactly how you have the waist ties facing, because either way, it's still going to be the same. So then you can just do the easier, simpler method. Ta-da!